Now exercise 14.3 question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Here in this table it is not given as class interval, so we should change that as class interval first. This is the table given in the question. When the question is given in this way, this number of policy holders means frequency. Given frequency is the cumulative frequency form that we should identify first. For finding the median, we have to get the actual frequency of the median class 2. So we have to change that cumulative frequency as actual frequency also. This is the first column given in the question. This is given as below. Here we have to change it as class interval. Below 20 we can write as 0 to 20. Below 25 we can write as 20 to 25. The next as 25 to 30. Like that we can complete this column. Question it is given that number of policy holders as this. So we should identify that is given frequency is cumulative frequency. Okay. So here 100 is the total frequency that we should understand. Then how we can change this as actual frequency. Actual frequency how we change as cumulative frequency? By adding. Okay. So here we have to subtract. That means 100 minus this 100 minus 98. What it is? It is 2. Right? Then we have to subtract 98 minus 92. What it is? 6. Then 92 minus 89. That is equal 3. Then 89 minus 78. That is equal 11. Then 78 minus 45. That is 33. Then 45 minus 24. That is 21. Then 24 minus 6. That is equal 18. Then 6 minus 2. That is equal 4. Then last number we can write as the same. Should understand how to do. When we do the subtraction, when we do the addition. When we do the subtraction, that we want to do in this way. When we do the addition, then in this way. Right? That both you should identify or understand. Do and practice. Okay. So this is the actual frequency. In this way, we can convert cumulative frequency to actual frequency. Because in the case of median, we have to get frequency of the median class. Okay, so we want to get F also. Cumulative frequency also we have to get. That is given in this question. So here first we have to find N. What is N? That is already given as 100. So N equal 100. Then what is H? For finding H, here the first interval is 0 to 20. But all others are with the class width 5. Right? 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. So we have to take the class width as 25 minus 20. That is 5. First one only having the class width 20. So here H is equal what? 5. 25 minus 20 is 5. Then we have to find N by 2. What is N by 2? That is 50. Then we have to check in this column. This is the cumulative frequency column. Here which column or which row includes 50. Here 0 to 2, 3 to 6, 7 to 24, 25 to 45, 46 to 78. 46 to 78. This is the class interval which includes 50. So 35 to 40. Okay. So our median classes 35 to 40. Then L lower limit is 35. Okay. Then frequency. F is the frequency of the median class. Which is the median class here? Which is the median class here? It is this one. Isn't it? 35 to 40. So 35 to 40 frequency is 33. So this is F. Then cumulative frequency of the preceding class, this is CF. Okay. Values of H is 5, L 35, N by 250, F 33, CF 45. Then these values we can substitute in the equation for finding median. Equation for finding median, substitute the values in this equation. Then we got 5 by 33 into 5, that is 25 by 33. Then we have to find 25 by 33 by long division method up to 3 digits. 5 by 33 will get as 0.757 etc. So we can correct it to 2 places. This is greater than 5. So we can add 1 to the remaining. So 0.75 become 0.76. So I add this to 35. So 35.76 years is the median. Exercise 14.3, question number 4. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Here the table is given as non-continuous interval, class interval. So here we have to correct it as continuous class interval. Okay. For that we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit for each class. Then we will get the continuous class interval. The first column given in the question. From here itself we know that it is not continuous because ending and starting numbers are different. Okay. So here we can change this as continuous interval. For that we have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So 118 minus 0.5 will be what? 117.5. 126 plus 0.5, 126.5. 127 minus 0.5, 126.5. 135 plus 0.5, 135.5. 136 minus 0.5, 135.5. 144 plus 0.5, 144.5. Like this we can fill this column. The second column. From here we can find value of H, that class width. For that we can check whether all the class intervals have equal width or not. Just subtract this minus this, this minus this, this minus this. All will get as same as 9. Okay, so here I took only one of them. 126.5 minus 117.5, that is equal 9. Okay, then third column they given as frequency, that we can write. Is the column for frequency F. Sum of the frequencies already given, that as 40. Not given, we found it as 40. Okay, when we add these all, then we will get 40. That means N is equal 40, right? Then we have to write cumulative frequency. Column for cumulative frequency. That we know how to do. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Like that we can fill this column. This is the column for cumulative frequency. This last number and total frequency are same. So our answer is correct. Okay. Then we have to find N by 2. 40 by 2, that is 20. Then we have to check in which cumulative frequency this 20 includes. Here 0 to 3, 4 to 8, 9 to 17, 18 to 29. 18 to 29 here. So 20 includes in this class interval. So which class interval is this new class interval we should take? 144.5 to 153.5. Median class is 144.5 to 153.5. So the lower limit of the median class is 144.5. Okay. Then we have to get CF and F. Here we got this is the median class. So its frequency is F. Then preceding class cumulative frequency is CF. So F is 12, CF is 17. F is 12, CF is 17. Here N is 40, L is 144.5, H is 9, F is 12, CF is 17, n by 2 is 40 by 2, 20. Then this is the equation for finding the median. Then we have to substitute the values. Then we will get 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 is 3 by 12 into 9. Then 3 into 9 is 27. So 144.5 plus 27 by 2. Then we have to divide 27 by 2. Then we will get the actual value as 2.25. Exact value we will get. So we can add that 2.25 here. Then we will get 146.75. 144.5 plus 2.25. Like this we have to put. Then 5, 7, 6, 1, 4. So 146.75 millimeter is the answer. Okay, 146.75 millimeter. In this way we have to add the decimal numbers. Exercise 14.3, question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. These two columns are given in the question. This is continuous interval itself. No need to change this. Then here the frequencies are given. Total is already given as 400. Then here we have to write the cumulative frequency. So first number 14. Then 14 plus 56, 70. 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86, 216. 216 plus 74, 290. 290 plus 62, 352. 352 plus 48, 400. These two are same, so our calculation is correct. Okay. Then here we have to find the median class. For getting the median class, we have to find n by 2. Here n is 400, n by 2 is 200. So here we should check in which row 200 includes. Here 0 to 14, 15 to 17, 71 to 130, 131 to 216 here. 131 to 216. That means 200 includes in this. So 3000 to 3500 is the median class. This is the median class. So median class is 3000 to 3500. So its lower limit L is 3000, right? Then we have to get frequency CF, F, CF and H. F means frequency of the median class. So this is F. CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So CF is 130, F is 86. CF is 130, F is 86, right? Then H. H means class width. So here we can take any of the class interval. So here I took 2000 to 1500. So 2000 minus 1500 equal 500 is H. Then this is the equation for finding the median. Substitute the values. L is 3000 plus n by 2 is 200 minus CF is 130 by F is 86. Then into H is 500. Then we can simplify this. When we substitute the values, then we get 3000 plus 70 by 86 into 500. 70 into 500 is 35,000. Then by 86. When we divide 35,000 by 86, then we get 406.976 etc. So this third digit is greater than 5. So we get 406.98. 3000 plus 406.98 equal 3406.98 hours as the median lifetime. Exercise 14.3, question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in the surnames. Also find the model size of the surnames. That means we have to find mean, median and mode of the given data. Here in this question, these two columns are given in the question. Okay, these two columns are given. Then for finding median, we have to add this column too, cumulative frequency. So this first term we have to write that itself. Then 6 plus 30, 36 plus 40, 76 plus 16, 92 plus 4, 96 plus 4, 100. In the question it is given that total number is 100. So when we add these all numbers, then we will get 100. Here the last number is also 100, so our calculation is correct. Okay, then for finding median we have to find n. N is given, or we found it as 100. Then n by 2 is what? 50. Then for finding the median class, we have to check in which cumulative frequency column that 50 includes. So here 0 to 6, 7 to 36, 37 to 76. So here 50 comes. So which is the median class? 7 to 10. So median class is 7 to 10. Then L is the lower limit of this class, that is 7. Then we have to get FCF. Then F is the frequency of the median class. This is the median class now. So its frequency is 40. So this is F. Okay. Then CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So this is CF. 36 is CF. Right. Then we have to find H. Here what is the interval? What is the width of each interval? That is 3. So we can take one of them. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we got all the values and substitute that in this equation. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is 7 plus 50 minus 36 by 40 into 3. 7 plus 14 by 40 into 3. 14 into 3 is 42. Then 42 by 40. We will get the exact value, that is 1.05. We can divide them, then we will get 1.05. So 7 plus 1.05 is 8.05. This is the median of the given observation. Then we have to find mean. This question I use the direct method for finding the mean. So I have to add these two columns, that is class mark and FI XI. For finding class mark, I have to add upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So I done that and get these all values. Okay. Then I have to multiply Fi Xi. So this two, this column and this. No need to make mistake. 6 into 2.5, 30 into 5.5, 40 into 8.5, 16 into 11.5, etc. Then I got this value. Then I have to find sigma Fi Xi. These all I have to add, that is 832. Then sigma Fi I already got as 100. So for finding mean, sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi, 832 by 100 is 8.32. So the mean of the given observation is 8.32. Then for finding the mode. For finding the mode we have to check, or we have to find model class. For that, which frequency is maximum here? This frequency. So this is the model class, 7 to 10. So L is 7. So here we got model class 7 to 10, L is 7, H is same as median, that is 4 minus 1, 3. Then we have to get F0, F1, F2. Then F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is 40. This is F1. For median it is F, for mode it is F1. This is F0, preceding class. This is F2, succeeding class. That values also we have to substitute in this equation. That is mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. That is 7 plus 40 minus 30 by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. 40 minus 30 is 10, 2 into 40 is 80. 80 minus 30 minus 16 is 34. Then 10 into 3 is 30. Then we have to divide 30 by 34. Then we will get the answer as 0.882 etc. This third digit is less than 5, so we have to write this itself. So 0.88. Then we have to add 7 plus 0.88. That is 7.88. This is the mode of the given observation. Exercise 14.3, last question. Question number 7. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Median weight of the students we have to find. These are the two columns given in the question. It is given that total number is 30. So when we add these all, then we will get 30 itself. So for finding median, we have to add this column, cumulative frequency. For that, first number we have to write that itself. Then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. These two numbers are same, so our answer is correct. Calculation is correct. Then we have to select median class. For that, we have to find n by 2. N is 30, so n by 2 is 15. So in this cumulative frequency column, which row includes 15? That we have to find. Here 0 to 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 13, 14 to 19. 14 to 19 means 15 included in this. So which class is median class? This is our median class. So its lower limit is 55. So L is 55. So frequency of the median class, this is F. Then cumulative frequency of the preceding class, this is CF. Then H we have to find 45 minus 40, that is 5. So here we got all the values, n 30, n by 2 15. Median class is this L, F, CF and H. Next we have to substitute these values in this equation. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then we get 55 plus 10 by 6. 55 plus 10 by 6. 10 by 6 equal 5 by 3. When we cut this, then we get 5 by 3. When we divide that, then we will get 1.666 etc. Here the third digit is 6, that is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the remaining. So 1.66 become 1.67. That's why we add here 55 plus 1.67. That is equal 56.67 kilogram. This is the median weight. Then there is an empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. That is 3 into median equal mode plus 2 into mean. 3 into median equal mode plus 2 into mean. If two of the central tendencies are given, then we can find the third central tendency by using this empirical relationship. Okay. In the revision time, we can discuss the problems about this empirical relationship because there is no questions related with the empirical relationship in this exercise questions. Okay. The cumulative frequency curve, the topic is removed by CBSE from this year's board exam. So our portion is over for 10th standard. Okay, so be serious and start studying. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.